trauma insurance is an interesting one because it's very different to most of the other insurances. The perception in people's minds is that it's a physical traumatic event. So when we see someone walking around with their leg in a plaster or some sort of bandaging, that they've suffered a trauma, but most people suffer trauma from medical reasons such as cancer, stroke, heart attack and coronary disease. In fact, under the trauma insurance, 80% of claims come from those 4 events, and it's something that people don't realise, that as our bodies deteriorate, those type of medical issues happen. And the real difference with trauma insurance is it's paid on diagnosis versus the condition actually disabling you. So to give you an example, and I'll use myself as the example, I suffered cancer a few years ago, and I'm obviously not deceased or totally disabled, but what the policy did pay is, because it's on diagnosis versus being physically disabled by the condition, I was paid under my policy. What that does is it gives you a payment that gives you choices. So it may be that you want to take some time off work and just get your head around what's happened. It may be you want to go sit on the beach and just do nothing for 6 months. Or you may want to pay off your mortgage so that you don't have as much money worries, and it gives you some flexibility going forward. It's a policy that some insurance companies call recovery insurance, and I think that's quite a good definition, because what it does is it allows you to recover from the traumatic event.